Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to put your X account on private. So first of all, let's open the X application on my device, and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you have to scroll down to settings and privacy. Now, as you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. You want to go to a section that's called privacy and safety. Now let's go to audience and tagging section, and at the very top of your page you should see this feature that is called protect your posts. So this is the feature that is responsible for making your account private. So let's turn this on, and basically now your account from this moment is private. Some additional information: that only your current followers can see your posts on your page, and any new people who want to follow you on X, they must send you a request for you to accept or decline. So if you tap a profile picture in the top left in this menu over here, you can see a section that's called follower requests. And from here you can manage your followers. You can either accept them or decline them. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.